Welcome everyone in today's EVS 2 Parade. Today we are going to continue remaining part of lesson number 4, that is Shivaji's childhood. From this lesson, new point we are going to see, that is Shahaji Raje towards the Mughals. Shahaji Raje returned to Nizamshahi alright, but he did not get any peace of mind there. See students, Shahaji Raje, he returned to Nizamshahi, means he returned to Nizamshah, but he did not get any peace of mind there. Means only he was not happy with Nizamshah. Why Shahaji Raje did not got peace of mind, or he was not happy with Nizamshah? See, because Nizamshah himself was a fickle-minded person. Now, fickle-minded means what? A person likely to change his opinion suddenly and without warning. Nizam Shah himself was a fickle-minded person who readily believed all gossip. Here gossip means what? Rumor, or in Marathi we say afwa. Nizam Shah readily believed all the gossip. Hence, many conspiracies and petty rivalries infested the court. Here, conspiracies means secret plan. Rivalries means competition. Infested means be present to cause damage. And petty means what? Minor. Means in the court of Nizam Shah, there was many secret plans and minor competitions was there against some people. And this led to the killing of Lakhoji Rao Jadhav openly in the court at the instigation of Nizam Shah. Means on the urge of, instigation means what? Urge. Means on the urge of Nizam Shah, there was the murder of Lakhoji Rao Jadhav in the court of Nizam Shah. Students, do you know who is the Lakhoji Rao Jadhav? Yes, Lakhoji Rao Jadhav is the father-in-law of Shahaji Raje. Means he was the father of Jizamata. Shahaji Raje could not withstand this. Withstand means what? To stand up against. He could not stand against of this, and infuriated he left Nizamshah and joined the Mughals. Infuriated means what? Make extremely angry. Means Shahaji Raje was extremely angry and he left the Nizamshah and joined the Mughals. That time the Mughal emperor was Shahjahan, and Shahjahan made him a Sardar at his court. In the meantime, secretly joining hands with the Mughals, Fateh Khan killed Nizam Shah. When Shahaji Raje joined the Mughals, during that time only Fateh Khan killed Nizam Shah. There was complete anarchy in the state. Anarchy means disturbance, means full disturbance it was there in the state. It became evident that Fateh Khan was treacherously planning to enable the Mughals to swallow Nizamshahi. Treacherously means what? In a disloyal manner. And swallow means what? Take away. When Fateh Khan killed Nizam Shah, that time it became evident that Fateh Khan was planning to give Nizam Shahi in the hand of Mughals. When Fateh Khan gave the Nizam Shah in the hand of Mughals, that time in return the Mughals rewarded Fateh Khan with the territory under the control of Shahaji Raje. Which territory area it was in the hand of Shahaji Raje, it was given to Fateh Khan, and Shahaji Raje was enraged, means angry, and so he left the service of Mughals. Now Shahaji Raje decided to teach them a lesson using all his might. Means whom he will teach lesson? To Mughals and Fateh Khan. Next point we are going to see, that is founding of a new Nizamshahi. In order to forestall the Mughal emperor and Wazir Fateh Khan, Shahaji Raje found out a child heir from the Nizam's family. Here forestall means what? Prevent, means to prevent the Mughal emperor and Wazir Fateh Khan. Shahaji Raje found a child heir. Now heir means what? A person who legally receive property, means waras. he found a child heir from the Nizam's family. And on the fort of Pemgiri near Chunar, declared him as a new Nizam Shah. What Shahaji Raje has done, see, he declared a child heir from a Nizam's family as a new Nizam Shah. The Shahaji Raje established an altogether new kingdom which included the territory between the rivers Godavari and Neera. Altogether means what here? Completely. Shahaji Raja established an altogether new kingdom which included the territory between the rivers Godavari and Neera. Shahaji Raje fought vigorously to protect this new state. This new state means new kingdom which is established between the river Godavari and Neera. To save this, vigorously fought Shahaji Raje. Vigorously means what? Very energetic. Initially, Adil Shah was with him in this effort, but later the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan himself marched south upon Shahaji Raje and threatened Adil Shah. Threaten means what? To warn. Adil Shah was with Shahaji Raje, but when Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan marched south upon Shahaji Raje and threatened Adil Shah, that time Adil Shah signed a treaty of friendship with him against Shahaji Raje. Marched means what? Walk. And treaty means what? Written agreement. When Shah Jahan threatened Adil Shah, that time Adil Shah what done? He signed a treaty of friendship with Shah Jahan against Shahaji Raje. Means Adil Shah has done friendship with Shah Jahan and now Adil Shah was against of Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje now began to fight the joint forces of the Mughals and Adil Shah using guerrilla tactics. Guerrilla tactics means what? See, to organize surprise attack on the enemy, isolate and destroy them unit by unit before they could be warned. Here isolate means what? Remain alone. Means Shivaji Maharaj had done surprise attack on the enemy, and when they are alone, that time only Shivaji Maharaj had destroyed them before they could be warned. In Marathi, guerrilla tactics means what? Ganimi Kawa. Shahaji Raje started to fight against the Mughals and Adil Shah using guerrilla tactics, but he could not sustain the war all by himself. Means sustain means what? Support. Shahaji Raje alone he could not fight against the Mughals and Nizam Shah. So unwillingly in 1636 he signed a treaty of peace with Mughals. Unwillingly means what? Not willingly. Means here Shahaji Raje now stopped fighting with Mughals and Adil Shah because alone he could not fight against them. So he has done treaty agreement of peace with Mughals. Shahaji Raje could not create his own kingdom as the times were not favorable for him, but his daring spirit kindled a confidence among the Marathi people. Kindled means what? Awake or arouse. Though Shahaji Raje could not create his own kingdom, but his daring spirit kindled a confidence among the Marathi people. This proved useful for Shivaji in establishing Swarajya a few years later. The daring spirit, spirit means what? Mind or quality. Daring spirit it was there of Shahaji Raje. It helped Shivaji in establishing Swarajya a few years later. Next point we are going to see that is Jizabai and Shivaji in Karnataka. After the downfall of the Nizamshahi established by Shahaji Raje, its territory was divided by the Mughals and Adil Shah among themselves. Downfall means what? Ruin or destroyed. After the end of the Nizamshahi established by Shahaji Raje, its territory means land was divided by the Mughals and Adil Shah among themselves. Shahaji Raje's Jagir of Pune and Supe lay within Adil Shah's share. Means here Shahaji Raje's Jagir of Pune and Supe. This was in whose hand now? Adil Shah. And he gave it to Shahaji Raje on his behalf. Means Again, Adil Shah gave the Pune and Supejage in the hand of Shahaji Raje. Now again Shahaji Raje joined the Adil Shahi service. Means again he joined to Adil Shah. Adil Shah assigned to him the task of conquering the territories in distant Karnataka. Assign means what? Gave duty. Means Adil Shah had given duty to Shahaji Raje to what? To conquer. Conquer means take in hand or take control of the territory, means area in the distant Karnataka. Means Karnataka was far away from Pune. Sometime after the departure of Shahaji Raje to Karnataka, Jizabai and Shivaji also joined him there. Departure means what? The action of leaving. When Shahaji Raje went to Karnataka, that time Jizabai and Shivaji also joined him there. Shivaji's childhood in Maharashtra had been very hectic. Hectic means what? Troubled emotionally. Means lot of trouble it was there. He and Jizabai had to rush continuously from one fort to another. At that time, young Shivaji used to hear the stories of brave deeds of his father. Here, rush means what? Go. Because of Shahaji Raje, Shivaji and Jizabai had to rush continuously from one fort to another. At that time, young Shivaji used to hear the stories of the brave deeds of his father. Deeds means act. Means father's brave deeds story Shivaji used to hear. Jizabai and Shivaji got some peace when they arrived in Karnataka. Peace means what here? Freedom from disturbance. Shahaji Raje defeated many kings in Karnataka. Defeated means what? To cause someone to fail. Means many kings were defeated by Shahaji Raje in Karnataka. Defeated means in Marathi Parabhav. Adil Shah awarded him with the Jagir of Bangalore. Jagir means what here? Property or land. Means Adil Shah awarded Shahaji Raje with the Jagir of Bangalore. Means property of Bangalore, it was given to Shahaji Raje by Adil Shah. Shahaji Raje then made the city of Bangalore his headquarters. Headquarters means what? Main office. When Shahaji Raje went to Bangalore, that time he made the city of Bangalore his headquarters. He lived there with all the trappings of the king and began to summon the court. Trapping means dress. Means the dress of king he started to wear and began to summon the court. Now summon means what? To officially arrange meeting. He started to arrange meeting in the court. Today's homework, students, you have to read page number 14 and 15 of EVS to textbook. Thank you.